We are playing this Mingo game, but it's really stick. Alright, 4 more players to start the game. No one's playing this game.
This could be fatal for our refrigeration circuit. This acrylic plate will separate the cold zone from the hot zone.
Wait, why does
Previously
the glass
drilled
bit
the hole past the
challenge?
pressure tube through. And now we can
Wait,
connect it to the
I chose the
condenser.
wrong glass. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I'm gonna hack.
Once assembled, we'll
hacking.
attach the separator to the wooden base.
I need more players.
Now we'll also connect the suction tube to the evaporator, but we won't insert it completely yet. This will be our refrigerant gas. It's isobutane. We'll inject it into the system using a hypodermic needle. We attach the needle to the outlet of the gas canister. We pierce the needle into the PVC tube and inject the gas into the system. Isobutane, also known as R600A, is an excellent refrigerant.
I have
We
been
won't fill the
played
system
these games
completely.
before.
A little gas should be
I said
enough.
I have been played these games
We quickly
before.
insert the tube to seal the leak and secure it.
Wait,
from
why
the
is it like this?
With this
Ah.
air conditioner, which generates both.
Let me go to YouTube. That
Una siya
was
sabihin.
username.
Let's turn it on.
Joy, let's sleep na in my room.
We've sped up the shot so you can better see the freezing effect. Conversely, the condenser coil emits heat, which could be used to heat a room.
9!
Cools at one end.
Bro! What's 7? I'm watching that video and there's 7 and now it's 9.
Find that the temperature has dropped to 10 degrees below zero.
No.
Grabe yun, negative ano lang.
I'm
Negative
here.
10.
And in the condenser, the temperature
Bro,
falls
that was
to
me.
20 degrees Celsius.
O, mainit yung kabila. Yun yung nalagay mo sa labas. Ito yung nasa loob.
The fan will provide a pleasant stream of cold air,
70 players left.
capable of conditioning a room of up to 30 cubic meters. You can see
Nope.
that the ice we scrape melts in our fingers.
8
It's
people
real
died.
ice, contrary to what
Oh
some
my
comments
gosh.
of previous prototypes said.
Hindi maganda ka nag-freeze eh.
Ha?
Cold milk.
Let's cool this can.
Yan nga yung ano lang eh. Yun yung papalamig niya eh. Yung freezer na yan eh. Yung nagpiprease na yan eh. Yun yung nagpapalamig.
500%. In just a few seconds, this
Why
prototype is
cold?
frozen completely.
Negative 10 ba naman eh?
If it's all ice, then it's filled
Ay,
to.
wala din. Wow.
Okay. I wanna watch this video for a second.
The design of this
I wanna play
Sa labas mo
with
ilalagay yung kalahati.
you.
started in a sliding modular
Oh
logic.
my.
Here we can see
Turn off the sound. I'm recording.
Ayan. Lalagyan sa taas.
What happened? There's one guy. 6. Bro! What did you do? Bro! Push someone out of the room because it's 8
in the Philippines.
No!
Oo nga. Opan. Nagkita nyo kami dyan. Negative 17, no? Negative 18.
Since we've had it on for a longer period,
Oh,
the temperature
player
reading
96
reaching 90.
That is from the Akio show. I found it.
한 분도 빠짐없이 중앙 원판으로 올라가 주세요.
The device works.
Game Chodanyan Shishita.
Works as expected.
Yan ang problema lang, biglang lalabas yung mainit na room sa ano. Mainit na hangin ng room. Yun ang ano niya, flow niya.
Thanks for watching the video to the end.
Kaya nga nilalabas niya yung mainit na hangin sa room. Hindi niya makakapalamig na room. Ang malamig lang yung ano, pinagaganito yung ito lang.
Papa melt
Ah,
it.
dito ka malamig dito. Pero yung room hindi nalamig. Ay, so beauty yan.
Ano ulam nyo, Kay? Ano yung ulam nyo?
Ah.
Yun lang sasabi ko lang. Love. Ano ito? Ano ito? We didn't even let me in. I will shut down this channel.
Joy.
What?
Lagyan mo na yung net.
Why?
한 분도 빠짐없이 중앙 원판으로 올라가 주세요.
Kaya ang bait mo naman kayo naghugas ng plato.
In 2417, centuries after the Earth became uninhabitable,
Magbuburo ako ng mangga. Magbuburo nga, hindi pa agad.
Why didn't
Kaya saan ako mag-gym? To tighten my butt and legs.
Cash Patel's security detail have had to use what
Nagawa ko ng coach habang wala pa yung anak ko. Kaya nag-order na ako yung water
because he
para makapagalisan ako.
Patel says it is false. He is suing the Atlantic for defamation. The former FBI agent
Bago na kayo ng lifestyle nyo, kaya ang babata nyo pa, ang dami na iniinom na gamot. What daw? Bakit?
close the door or that you are gonna die? He's gonna die. Ah.
Are you recording a video? Wala, manilay ko sa video.
Is it that's well?
Dahil tao na, dahil tao na. Napakainin mo sila ng mga ano, yung saging con yelo.
한 분도 빠짐없이 중앙 원판으로 올라가 주세요.
Dahil tao na, dahil tao na.
이제 마지막 라운드를 시작하겠습니다.
Dahil tao na, dahil tao na.
Yung gusto mo yung sabon ng laban.
Four.
Di ba
Ross!
printer pa tayo isa? Hindi mo tayo printer, di ba? Ha?
lumabas.
Sira mo yung ano. Ayun. Mahal na yung ano, di ba?
The game has ended.
Hindi ko yata kay ano? Kay Ian. Kaya sa kanya yun.
Ah.
Ba yun yung laging ano? Naiipit?